Let's say we reject the null. That means we think it's going to rain. That means we're going to bring our umbrella. Alternatively, if we retain the null, we decide it's not going to rain. Then we won't bring our umbrella. Remember that these two, rejecting the null or retaining the null, correspond to our decision. If the null is true, meaning that it's not going to rain, then we should put A here. And if the null is false, that means it rains. Hopefully this helped illustrate the concept of type 1 and type 2 errors.